look outside right now, City of Boston still looking very, very murky. You can see there's actually some sunshine above that fog. So if you're not struggling with the fog right now, you might actually enjoy a little partial sun this morning. Notice, though, as the morning goes on, we go from the low to the mid-30s. Temperatures easily slide above freezing today. And by late morning, we have the chance for a couple spot showers. I'm not seeing a lot on radar, but by about 9, 10 o'clock this morning, there could be a couple here and there showers. Many of you still dry. We've got the same thing at noon, but by about 3 p.m., I'm expecting the rain to turn a bit steadier out there, especially from, let's say, Rhode Island to central and western Massachusetts, spotty in Boston. And of this storm, there could end up being very little on the North Shore and into New Hampshire. Notice, though, with that steadier afternoon and evening rain, eventually we start mixing in some snow. Initially, it's going to struggle to stick, but as we get beyond sunset, closer to like dinner time and overnight, we are going to get some accumulation because it will be cool enough. So you can see at 10 p.m., we've got some sticking snow in the Boston area, and shortly after that, probably close to midnight. It only gives us a coating to an inch here in some areas in the greater Boston area. I would expect southeastern Mass. I'm a little iffy whether we get any sticking on the North Shore or southern New Hampshire, but central and western Mass looking at about 1 to 3 from this. The reason it's not able to stick during the day is because temperatures will be too mild. We're looking at highs today and the upper 30s and lower 40s. It cools tonight back into the 20s. That cool down is what allows us to get accumulation. And then tomorrow, I love that we have a little sun in the forecast, upper 30s and lower 40s, partly sunny skies. We kind of catch our breath on Thursday because Friday night into Saturday morning, we've got a storm. Sunday night into Monday, we've got the potential for another storm as well. This is what I'm seeing with Friday's storm. And remember, we don't really get anything out there until afternoon or evening. This is set to peak at night with about 1 to 3 inches of snow south of the Mass Pike and 3 to 6 north of the Mass Pike. So essentially, you wake up Saturday morning, and that's what we have. Now, you'll see a weather alert on our 7-day forecast with the weekend always in view for Friday for that snow I just showed you. Saturday, I'm expecting some light snow to continue. It doesn't look weather alert worthy, but do be ready for some minor accumulation. During the day on Sunday, dry weather, but at night, as you know, into Monday, we've got the potential for yet another storm. Problem spots during the evening commute. Most accumulation really happens after the evening commute and tonight as temperatures continue to drop. I'd say it looks like snow at this point is probably going to be done around midnight, and we're only looking at a coating to an inch actually sticking in the Boston area, but beyond 495 into central and western Mass, it's probably going to be about 1 to 3 that we get out of this one. Next up on your radar, because we've got this storm, we've got Friday, and we've got Monday that we're watching, all with weather alerts to keep you on your toes. We've got afternoon and overnight snow on Friday, and Monday, details not clear. It is way too soon to know the track that that storm is going to take and how much precipitation we're going to get. Over the next 7 days, though, you can see temperatures are set to drop, which means, especially by Monday, I'm not so much seeing a rain-snow mix. It just looks like straight-up snow if that storm makes it in here. On Friday, this is mostly Friday night, we're looking at about 3 to 6 inches of snow north of the Pike and 1 to 3 south of the Pike. So basically, you wake up to this on Saturday morning. Our 7-day forecast with the weekend always in view also has some light snow